Hey everyone, so it's been a hot second since I put out a video. However, I am back and I'm excited to put out new content just for you. Today's look is pretty simple to kick off the new year. I'm doing more like a winter frosted holly berry look, and it's pretty simple and really fun. So let's get started. Now that I've given myself a solid head scratching, I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I've already done my foundation. If you haven't seen me do that before, I'll link a video down below for you to check out. Otherwise, do your foundation the way you prefer and go ahead and contour your face. I'm following that up with a matte highlighter over my cheekbones. Since this is a winter look, I'm going to go ahead and pack on the blush as I want my face to look like I've been freshly outside and my cheeks are a little cold. I just got this highlighter palette and I am completely obsessed, and I use it pretty much for the rest of the tutorial, so just keep it on hand. I'm lightly going over my cheekbones to start with, but don't worry, we'll go back over them again. I'm adding a little bit more blush because I just wanted those cheeks super red, and adding a little bit to the end of my nose. I'm then going to go ahead and prime my eyes and let that soak in while I do my eyebrows. Now we all know I don't really do super stylized brows. I just like to fill in my really naturally large ones, so I just do kind of a clean line down below and fluff the color up into the top. I'm now pulling out my favorite palette I own, and it's the Urban Decay Electric palette. You've seen it on this channel a lot, but I'm going in with slow burn and just blending that into my crease as it's going to be my transition color, and then I'm going to take it underneath my eyes before taking my finger and packing that color onto my lid. And isn't it beautiful, guys? Isn't it beautiful? And if you don't have this palette or this specific color, go ahead and choose any red you prefer. I highly suggest using some sort of white primer on your lid first, as that will help the color stay extra vibrant. Now that I got a bunch of red down, I'm going to start building out my cat eye with some gray first, and I'm going to blend that in with a nice fluffy brush until it gives a nice transition, and then I'll go over the top of that outer corner with black to really darken it up. I'm then taking that same black color and pulling it underneath my eye a little bit, and then going over that with some red again. Oh, and look who's back! It's that highlighter palette I like so much. I'm just taking the same color and packing that into my inner corner and then dragging that into the red a little bit, as I really want the eye to kind of look like those frosted berries on my headpiece. Put some on your brow bone before you go ahead and add a crap ton to your cheekbones again. Now you get to watch me struggle to put on eyeliner, because it's always a struggle. First, I draw a line from my inner corner and kind of go across my lid before drawing a line out and connecting the two. I'm then just popping on a fair amount of mascara. You can throw on lashes if you prefer. And then I'm putting a little bit of black onto my inner waterline just to kind of fill in the lashes a bit. Yes, I am pleased with this. Now the other side. Bam! I wanted to keep the lips really simple since my lips are pretty chapped right now, and I didn't want to irritate them further because it's winter and it's a whole thing. So I went ahead and went in with a Victoria's Secret lip gloss that was kind of the same color as my eyes, and focused that on the inner parts of my lip, and then going over the top with that highlighter again to give that frosted berry look. Now I can't just leave it as a glamorous makeup, I have to go in with some gems or something, and so I'm doing just that and focusing on the inner corners to kind of still give that impression of that frosty look. I'm freshening up those lips a little bit and then doing a little bit of a wardrobe change before donning what can barely be described as a crown. Once you have that somewhat balanced around your head, you are completely done. This is your winter fairy something queen, I don't know, look. Yes. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you back here for more.